Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this Origami Trapezoid domino. And what's really cool about it is that if you make several of them and put them in a line like this, you can knock them down just like that, just like real dominoes. And yeah, so I'm going to show you how to fold them. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Alright, so you can fold this model from any size square, and I'm going to use 3-inch squares. So to get 3-inch squares, you just take a 6-inch square and you fold it in half like this, both ways. And unfold, and let's turn over and let's reverse the creases. Like this, and we're gonna split them apart. So you could use scissors, but I'm gonna tear it off because it's faster and easier. So all you do is you just make a little tear on the top, just like this, and place it down and separate your hands like this. And the tears go all the way down, just like this. Alright, and then you do the same thing here and here. Just like that. Okay, so here we have 4 3-inch squares. But remember, you can use any size square. You can use 6-inch or some other kind of paper. Okay, so let's begin white side up and let's fold diagonally in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. And fold in half the other way. And rotate and fold this point to here, but don't fold it, just make a crease mark right there. Unfold and fold to your crease mark. Alright, and now take this take this edge and we're gonna fold it so that the fold originates at this point, and you want this edge to be parallel with the middle crease. Just do your best. Doesn't need to be perfect. Like that, and repeat on this side. So anchor the fold here and make this edge parallel with the middle crease. And it doesn't need to be perfect, but just do the best you can. Like this, and we're almost done with the domino. So we have 2 more folds left, so fold this up so the fold aligns with this edge. And make sure the edges align right here too. And same on this side, so fold it, make the edges align here, and make the fold align with this edge. Like that. And the last step is we're just gonna fold it just a little bit, like this. This is what makes it stand, see? And now you just place it down, and it stands just like that. Alright, now, pause the video and make however much more you want. Okay, so once you have the amount of dominoes you need, then here's how to set them up. So all you do is you just stand them up just like that, and you just line them up. See? And be careful so they don't fall. And it really needs to be on a flat table. There we go. And then you just do that. So yeah, isn't that cool? Trapezoid dominoes. So there you have it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding this, and hope you find it interesting, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.